Some car modifications don't just make your car stand out, they quietly turn it into a moving legal liability. It might seem fun to tint your windows for your mysterious persona, or flip your plates to feel the adrenaline rush. After all, most drivers install them thinking it's style and looks cool, not realizing they're risking traffic stops, impoundment, fines, and even arrest. Today we're exposing 10 modifications that can get you pulled over instantly, and the 5 mods that are actually legal, so you can build your car without destroying your license or your future. Number 10. It's one of the most popular visual mods in car culture. It makes everything flashy, futuristic, and is perfect for your social media. But Underglow legally sits in a very grey zone that changes fast depending on colour, state laws, and visibility rules. But how can a cosmetic light mod turn into a criminal issue? Certain Underglow colours, especially red, blue, and flashing patterns, are legally restricted because they're reserved for emergency and law enforcement vehicles. That means Underglow can trigger police impersonation laws, traffic violations, and immediate stops. Even legal colours can be illegal if they're too bright, distracting, or visible from certain angles. That's why even if it looks cool, to the cops, it often looks like probable cause. And if lights can get you stopped this fast, the next mod can get your car impounded just as quickly. Number 9. Dark tint is one of the most common mods people install without thinking twice. After all, it's sold everywhere, advertised as premium and marketed as privacy, heat protection, and style. Why does something this normal get people pulled over constantly? Front windshields and front side windows have strict visibility laws in most states. When tint goes beyond the legal limit, it becomes a safety violation, not a style choice. The police departments treat it as obstructed vision, which means traffic stops, fix-it tickets, fines, and repeat violations. And once your car is flagged for tint, you're more likely to get stopped again, even after fixing it. Number 8. This mod is marketed as privacy protection or anti-camera tech, but everyone knows the real reason people install it: to avoid identification. Whether it's tinted covers, reflective shields, or mechanical flippers, the purpose is very much the same: hide the plate. So why do cops take this one way more seriously than most other mods? Because this isn't treated as customization, it's treated as intent. In many states, obstructing, altering, or hiding a license plate is a criminal offence, not just a traffic violation. Officers interpret it as intent to evade law enforcement, which triggers automatic suspicion, vehicle searches, citations, and possible criminal charges. Flippers especially are viewed as premeditated concealment devices. Number 7. Stance culture made slammed builds mainstream, but there's a line between custom and criminal. Extreme lowering kits could lead to air suspension abuse, frame scraping, and bumper dragging setups, thus pushing the cars beyond legal safety limits. So when does clean build turn into illegal vehicle? Most states enforce minimum ride height laws for safety, visibility, and crash protection. When a car sits too low, it becomes a road hazard due to the reduced steering control, compromised braking geometry, damaged suspension components, and unpredictable handling. Police don't see the style, they see it as unsafe operation. If your frame scrapes speed bumps, your bumper drags roads, or your tyres tuck into fenders, you're not just risking tickets, you're also risking fix-it citations, fines, failed inspections, and even vehicle impoundment for unsafe modifications. Number 6. Cat deletes and straight pipes are sold as performance mods, but they're actually federal violations disguised as car culture. Removing catalytic converters isn't just bending the rules, it's breaking emissions law. So why do so many people run them if they're illegal nationwide? Under federal emissions regulations, removing or tampering with emissions equipment is illegal in all 50 states, and not just strict states like California. No catalytic converter means EPA violations, automatic inspection failure, and the risk of heavy fines. And if you add noise ordinances on top, as well as straight pipes, it just becomes double illegal, breaking both emissions and sound laws. So the cops don't hear performance, they hear probable cause. And inspectors don't see mods. All they see is failed compliance. Number 5. Blue and red LEDs, strobes, hidden grille flashers and dash-mounted lights aren't just aesthetic mods. They're legally classified as emergency vehicle equipment in most jurisdictions. The moment your car mimics a police, EMS or government vehicle, it crosses from customization into criminal territory. Why is lighting taken more seriously than almost any other car mod? Because it's treated as impersonation, not modification. Running police-style lighting can lead to felony charges, not just tickets. Officers see these mods as intent to deceive the public, which escalates enforcement immediately. That means potential arrest on the spot, vehicle seizure, and criminal charges, not fix-it tickets. This isn't a traffic stop problem. It's actually a criminal offence. If you learned something new and are enjoying the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 4. Windshield banners and dark top strip tints are inspired by race cars and show builds, but on public roads, they're classified as visibility obstructions. Most states have strict laws about how much of the windshield can be tinted, especially in the driver's primary field of vision. How can a thin strip of tint become a legal problem? Because it directly affects driver visibility and reaction time. Police and inspectors treat it as an unsafe operation modification, not a cosmetic choice. That means traffic stops, inspection failures, and stacked tickets, especially if combined with other mods. One banner can turn a normal stop into multiple violations instantly. Number 3. Upgrading your headlights to HID or LED might seem like a simple performance boost, but many kits aren't designed for your car's housing. This leads to scattered, misaligned light that's illegal in most states. How can making your headlights brighter actually get you pulled over immediately? Blinding beam patterns and improper housings create a safety hazard for other drivers. Non-DOT compliant kits are considered illegal, and cops treat them as dangerous driving violations, often leading to instant traffic stops. Bright lights might help you see, but they make you a target for enforcement. Number 2. Exhaust cutouts and valve-controlled dumps let you switch between quiet and ear-shattering sound instantly. Sounds fun, but only until you realize that most states have strict noise limits and emissions requirements. Why does a fun button on your car turn into a legal headache? Using these mods can trigger noise violations, public nuisance charges, and penalties for repeat offenders. Bypassing emissions equipment can also land you in trouble with inspectors. What feels like an instant thrill can cost you tickets, fines, and even vehicle impoundment. So one push of the button could definitely look and feel like fun, but it could also turn out to be your worst legal nightmare. Number 1. Some drivers think swapping plates, using fake tags, or manipulating temporary registration is a clever workaround. But these aren't mods. They're criminal offences in every single state. Why does a small plate tweak instantly escalate into felony territory? Because it's considered fraud, registration evasion, and identity concealment. Law enforcement treats this as serious criminal behaviour, leading to felony charges, arrest, and vehicle seizure. Unlike tinted windows or exhaust mods, this isn't about style or performance. What you might consider to look like a hack is actually treated as crime. So this is not a joke, not a suggestion, and most definitely not legal. However, not every mod will get you arrested because the line between cool customization and criminal liability is razor thin. So now let's flip the script and talk about 5 car mods that are totally legal and won't put your license, wallet, or car at risk. Number 5. Many enthusiasts want more sound and airflow from their engine, and performance air intakes deliver just that. Unlike illegal mods, these kits are often DOT and emissions compliant when installed correctly. How can you boost performance without ever touching the law? Legal intake systems improve engine breathing, throttle response, and even the sound of your car, but all without breaking emissions rules or attracting police attention. You get style and performance without the risk of fines or impoundment. Number 4. Street legal cat-back exhausts let drivers enhance sound and performance without touching emissions equipment. These systems are designed to comply with noise ordinances and leave catalytic converters intact. How can you get a throw-it-here exhaust without risking tickets or fines? With a legal catback, you get deeper engine tone, a smoother airflow, and minor performance gains, all while staying fully street legal. You'll get no citations, no impound risk, and no EPA violations. Number 3. Upgrading wheels and tyres is one of the easiest ways to customize your ride. As long as sizes are DOT approved and fit properly, these mods are fully legal. How can you make your car look aggressive without drawing a cop's attention? Correctly sized wheels and tyres enhance style, handling, and safety without violating any laws. You get a fresh look, improved traction, and zero legal risk. No tickets and no fines. Number 2. Modern tuners can adjust engine maps to increase power and efficiency without removing emissions equipment or breaking the law. These street-legal tunes are carefully engineered to stay compliant with regulations. How can you unlock more performance without ever risking a ticket? A proper ECU tune delivers everything at your doorstep. A smoother throttle response, more horsepower, and better fuel efficiency, all while remaining fully legal. Unlike illegal deletes or aggressive tunes, this gives performance without fines, impound risk, or inspection failures. Number 1. This is the final legal mod on our list. Upgrading suspension can improve handling and aesthetics, but only certified, street-approved kits keep you on the right side of the law. These kits maintain safe ride height and proper geometry. How can you lower or lift your car without ending up with tickets or impoundment? Street-approved suspension kits enhance handling, ride comfort, and style while remaining fully road legal. You get the needed performance and looks without compromising safety or breaking the law, unlike extreme lowering or illegal air ride setups. The real danger isn't customizing your car, it's doing it without knowing the law. Officers don't really care about how cool it looks, nor do courts care about build quality, and tickets don't care about aesthetics. So any mods should only enhance your ride, not put you at risk. So there can be 2 kinds of car mods, ones that improve your car and ones that build a criminal record. Know the difference and stay smart while standing out. But what do you think? Which mods surprised you the most, and which have you seen get people pulled over? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.